Many business owners are thinking and asking, kailangan ko ba talagang i-record lahat ng resibo ko? Kailangan ko nga ba talagang ilista lahat ng sales? And the answer is yes. Hi! If it's your first time seeing me, I'm Ai. I'm a certified public accountant and I help business owners understand their numbers so they can focus on growing their business. So makita natin, problemado si business owner kasi nga, kailangan niyang itago lahat ng mga resibo and bukod sa pagtago ng resibo, kailangan niya ring i-record to. And this is called record keeping. Or mas familiar tayo, mas madalas nating naririnig ito as bookkeeping. So, record keeping or bookkeeping is simply recording all the transactions na nangyayari sa business mo. So, most business owners are doing the bookkeeping for the purpose of complying with the BIR. Pero alam nyo ba na mas marami pa tayo magiging benefit from the bookkeeping aside from BIR compliance? So, tingnan natin ngayon, bakit nga ba importante ang bookkeeping? So, reason number 1, malalaman mo kung kumikita ka ba or nalulugi na. Some of the business owners, parang nasa isip lang nila na kumikita sila. Kasi tuloy-tuloy naman yung business. Nakakabili pa rin sila ng goods from the supplier na maibibenta nila. Mabayad sila ng bills and all. Pero pag tinanong mo sila, how much na yung sales mo? How much ba yung naging cost of sales mo? How much ba yung naging income mo? Merong ibang business owners na hindi kayang sagutin yung tanong na yan. So let me give you an example. This is an income statement. And makikita nyo dyan, may sales, may cost of goods sold, merong rent, merong wages. So, ililink ko lang yung bookkeeping dito sa income statement na to. Okay? So, for the sales, para ma-record natin yung 100,000 pesos na yan, ang supporting documents natin dyan ay yung mga sales invoice na ini-issue natin to our customers. Okay? So, kailangan kompleto yung lahat ng sales invoice for that. Next is COGS or cost of goods sold. Ito yung cost ng mga binibili mo from your supplier para ibenta mo. Okay, so ang kailangan mo dito ay resibo or invoice din from your suppliers para ma-account natin tong 50,000. So, okay na, may sales na tayo, may cost of sales na tayo, makakompute na natin yung gross profit dyan, which is 50K. Next, rent. So, for the rent, ang kailangan din natin dyan ay invoice or resibo from our lessor or yung inuupahan natin. So, dapat nagbibigay din yan ng resibo sa atin to prove na nagbayad nga tayo ng 20,000 for the rent. Okay na? So, next, wages. Ito naman ay salaries ng mga employees na nandoon sa business natin. So, what you need here is yung payroll computation and yung kanilang payslip as proof na nabayaran mo yung employees. And of course, if you're familiar with 1601C na fina-file sa BIR, that is one of the supporting documents for this one. So, gross profit, ilales ang rent, ilales ang wages, so makukuha yung net income na 10,000. So, bakit nga importante? Kasi, if hindi kompleto yung invoices mo, ma-account mo ba correctly yung sales mo? If hindi mo nakuha lahat ng invoices from your suppliers, ma-account mo ba lahat ng cost of sales mo? Okay na tayo sa reason number 1. So, let's move on to reason number 2. Mas mabilis ang decision making. May example ng decision making. Kaya ko na bang mag-hire ng panibagong employee for my business? Or, kaya ko kayang mag-expand na ng business ko? So, you can't answer these questions kung wala kang financial statements or hindi mo alam magkano yung kinikita mo, magkano ba yung cash na available mo. So, sobrang importante ng record keeping pagdating sa decision making, which is, I know, all of the business owners here, ito talaga yung pinakamahirap na gawin sa lahat, ang decision making. So, reason number 3, BIR compliance and tax preparation. Ito, nabanggit ko na kanina. So, most of the time, ito lang yung nagiging reason. Pero of course, if kompleto ang records mo, if kompleto ang source documents mo, hindi ka mahihirapan to file your taxes accurately. Ibig sabihin, tama yung mga figures na nasa tax returns mo. And of course, you can prepare it on time and you can file it and pay it on time. Kasi alam nyo naman, kapag hindi natin nagawa on time yan, magkakaroon ng penalty with the BIR. Hope this video helped you in understanding bakit nga ba importante itong record keeping or bookkeeping in your business. If may natutunan ka sa video na to, hit follow for more videos like this, and if you have questions, put it in the comment section.